Welcome, in front of me is a Umidigi One Pro, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's open up the settings app and then scroll all the way down to System, where you will see Reset options, and here you have Erase all data, Factory Reset. Once you tap on it, it gives you a message that performing this will remove basically the list of the things, so your Google account, system app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. So in other words, it just removes everything that you have that did not come with the device. So once you're ready, you can tap on reset phone and erase everything, and then the process will begin, and this will take a couple of minutes, so just be patient. And once it's finished, the process, well, you will be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So yeah, and I'll be back once the setup screen is actually visible. And as you can see, the process is finished, and now we can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.